Century 21 Novocastrian in Newcastle, back with you for our Monday wrap, keeping Newcastle investors up to date on what's happening in the current rental market, tips, tricks and strategies to maximise your return on your investment. As always, Nicole Hall joins us, our BD. Nick, morning.
Morning.
How was your weekend?
Our weekend
Yes.
was fantastic. So for anyone who does follow us on socials, you've probably seen some stories popping up. We were at the Century 21 Annual Awards.
Yep, lots of champagne flowing.
Yeah, we did.
Paid for it the next day.
And what feels like today, I think, too, for some of us. But no, it was good. We had a great weekend. It was really nice.
We did. We took out the state award for top office for New South Wales. So that was pretty exciting, and some other accolades along the way. So I think we ended up with 6 pieces of glass, which, ta-da!
We can
only helpful. is a nice collection for the office. So congratulations also to Nick Stewart, who is our Director and Principal of the Sales Department. He took out Top Principal of the Year, so massive achievement for him and his team there. This week, what's been happening?
This week, so in the last 7 days, the team have had 7 open for inspections.
Yep.
And 4 of those were on Saturday before we headed down to Sydney. We had 142 tenant inquiries over those 7 days. We had 44 tenants register and inspect. So those numbers have come down.
They are coming
as
down.
well.
Yep.
But out of 44 people who registered, we had 41 applications come through.
Oh, that's good.
And we also lease 3 properties. So the property managers will work on Saturdays opens, like the applications that have come through. So we do anticipate, those being leased.
Yeah,
I'm
I think we've
working on
got
today.
What have we got? 3 or 4 for lease at the moment.
Yeah, a couple more popping on over in the next couple of days, but they will get away, most of them, I think, this morning. Yep.
That house market, the family home, is what really turns over really quickly at the moment. The units are just a little bit more difficult.
Yeah, but we're still sitting like good numbers on average days on the market. So
still about 7 days, which
days.
is really good considering we're coming into that winter period, which is where the market will slow a little bit. This week we thought we'd talk about being prepared for end of financial year. So who can believe we're already there? We have on our website, if you head to C21 Novocastrian, we have a end of financial year checklist for you. So as a landlord, what can you claim? So there's accountants fees, advertising, agents fees, bank charges, your body corporate, your strata fees, borrowing expenses, cleaning, interest, lease preparations, legal costs, mortgage insurance, surveyor's reports. So that's your tax depreciation schedule. So other than interest, that's your second largest deduction available on your investment property. So if you don't have a tax depreciation report, then we suggest you do look at getting one, and we can put you in contact. We've got a couple of providers that do those for us, that we can arrange that on your behalf. Obviously, rates, repairs and maintenance, and the security of the property. But to be prepared for end of financial year and what your accountant's going to ask you for, you need copies of your bank statements, any invoices or receipts. Now with our agency, these are links in the bottom of your statements, so you should be downloading those each month, saving them in a file, so when it comes tax time, it's a quick shoot off to the accountant. Any insurance, your statement of income, so your end of financial year statements, what your accountant's going to be chasing, any rates notices, and obviously your depreciation report. But this checklist is available, as I said, on our website at C21 Novocastrian to help you be better prepared for end of financial year. And obviously there's a link there also to the ATO guide for rental property owners. So that gives you a bit more in-depth in what you can actually claim. But
yeah, it's a good read too. Jump on and have a look at that.
Yeah, definitely. That's us for this week. Check out our website. We have got a new blog up there, and as Nick said, 3 new properties coming on the market this week. So keep your eyes peeled, but if we can help you with your investment property, if you've got any questions in relation to our service, what we provide, or unhappy with your current agent, then let's make this call and have a chat now.
I'm Nicole Hoare, investor consultant.
And I'm Healey, Director here at Century 21. We'll talk with you next week. Bye.